on it. So if I choose the two of them, I'll use the two of them. If I remove one of them, I'll use one of them. So video insights. So with that, I'll come here. I want to go to my YouTube channel and get a link for one of my YouTube videos so that we see if we can improve. And guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. So it's Itonga Breton on YouTube. So let's find one video. Let's take this one. I'm going to let's stop it there, and then let's just find the share button. So copy this link and then come back to ChatGPT. Let's tell it, please take a look at the video, the link below, and tell me how I can improve the title, the description, make it more searchable. Let's also the title and keep it searchable. Also provide 30 tags to use. Rated 30 tags. Also provide 30 tags in a paragraph separated by commas. Here is the link. Let's see what it does. So based on the current title and description of the video, here are my suggestion to make